I have two of these AVO multimeters, and this one was working fine. The other one, however, this one here, has an issue, and it could have been my fault because I was measuring some pretty high voltages at the time, up around the 1000-volt mark, and it's quite possible that I fried this meter. It's not totally dead. The display is functioning, and it does read some values but incorrectly. So I'm going to look at this and compare it to this one, see what I can find. Well, straight away I've found this resistor here appears to be open circuit. When I measure the same resistor on this one, it's reading around 470 ohms. The other resistor here reads around 470, but this one at the top here, this reads 0. Well, not 0, it reads open circuit. So I guess that's the first step, is to replace that and see what happens after that. To remove that resistor, I'm going to use my Megger 808 desoldering tool, which is very useful if you don't have one. I should say it's very useful if you have one, but if you don't have one, then those solder pumps are what you end up using, solder suckers. Well, it is in fact a 470 ohm resistor, and you can see where it's burned and gone open circuit, actually in a couple of places. So what's the first thing to replace? So on the board down here it's marked as R41, and I believe this resistor here is also a 470 ohm. Looks like probably a 2 watt, at least a 1 watt. It looks like it's a film resistor and 5% gold, 5% tolerance, plus or minus 5% of 470 ohm. So I'll go and dig one of those out and I'll be right back. Okay, so it looks like it was just that resistor, thank goodness. I again have a matching pair of AVO M806s. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, you'll be notified of new videos. Thanks again. Bye bye.